Hi everyone, my name is Roman Kupka. I'm Senior Principal Consultant in Progress, responsible mainly for network management security solutions. So Henrik, welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you for your coming. Could you please introduce yourself to the audience?
Hello, my name is Henrik Schneider. I'm an information security manager. I work for Orange Slovakia. As Orange, it's mobile operator, support 280 million customer worldwide.
Oh, it's a huge number.
It's a huge number.
Okay. So, could you please briefly describe the network or security challenges that motivated you to implement this kind of the solution, the Flowmon solution in your company?
Yeah, it was mainly to bring for our customer the better network, the better performance in applications, in the network parameters, and also the security. Yeah, we have many blind spots before that we have to cover it, and we have to bring the monitoring system to this blind spot, and to have a result from them. And the result is that we see what's happened, what's going on in the network, and we can manage the security here.
Yeah, it's interesting. I remember we started to plan this kind of the project in 2016 actually, and you are the customers of the Progress with the Flowmon solution since 2019. So it was a huge story behind, and I know that the main requirement was to implement the tool with a single pane of glass for a network and security operations. Am I right?
Yes, you are right. You are fully right. And because of efficiency, that we have one tool for two different departments, which control the network operation, and security operation.
Yeah, what I remember, it was really a tough situation with your network, because your network is really huge. It's millions of clients connected to the network, millions endpoints, thousands of information systems, and we try to cover where we, let's say, set up the architecture, whole kind of the network aspects and the subnets. Which kind of the subnets or network segments you actually monitor with the Flowmon at the moment?
You know, we are not standard enterprise, with just a connection to internet or to cloud. We have multiple vendor architecture where we're providing the network services for our customer, but also we are sharing the same infrastructure for our internal needs. So we have covered the network perimeter for the customer, local area network, data centers, access networks to the internet, and a lot of spots where we have to be integrated to have complete view 360 for the network traffic.
Yeah. How is it going at the moment? Because I know, but how is it going at the moment with the, for example, amount of the network events on a daily basis? You need to struggle, because when we implement the Flowmon solution, it means that was the increasing of the security events.
Yeah, it was biggest challenge on our side, that from the blind we coming to the situation when we have now 1,000 events. Yeah, we have to solve it, but this is not possible to do it manually. That we have to also implement automated processes. Yeah, for in our infrastructure, to not do the repetitive job by the security operation, but to have the result automated up to the response.
Okay, got it. What about the networking guys? Are they using the Flowmon on a daily basis?
Yeah, they are using on daily basis. They are using on engineering for planning of network, the capacity planning, performance planning. They could see what is the structure of the different protocol in the network. They can use it in daily dashboards, and they can see also outages and everything. That it's useful also for operation, that they have quick response for operation outages or some struggling in network and stuff like that.
Or network bandwidth planning,
Network bandwidth planning, yeah.
Yeah.
Even we are working with the capacity threshold, yeah, that we have some capacity. Of course, sometimes it's good to work also to recognize what is the capacity and what is the real traffic there. If it is some not overheading some protocols which just fulfill your pipes but for nothing, not usable traffic, yeah? And this could be removed, and we can be more efficient in the network pipe. Maybe we will not need to invest a lot of money for only extensions. That we can optimize network.
Yeah, because of this kind of the visibility actually,
sure.
From the operation and from a security perspective. Is the Flowmon the fundamental part of the intelligent security architecture?
Of course, it is one of the main inputs where we can correlate the network data flows with the events from the, for example, operating systems, from some network devices. Yes, it is the fundamental because it gives us the first layer of visibility over the network. Also, that we can go back in track for forensic analysis with this tool because they're recording the flows, and we can recognize, for example, even after the post-incident, that what's really happened in the network, what's going on, and it could be used for effective forensic.
Okay, it's really difficult to say that the Flowmon saves times for a daily operation because every single tool brings a new view and the data aspects. But can we say that the Flowmon put, let's say, more efficiency in the operation because of avoiding the blind spots?
Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
And what do you think? Could you recommend, or why could you recommend the Flowmon as a Progress solution to the market, to other potential customers that are interested about this kind of the all-in-one network/security operation monitoring tool?
Yeah, it's good to have as less tool as possible in the network, because multi-vendor always brings the complexity that here we resolve the two things in one shot, and it is the network operation and security operation.
Is a lot of this kind all-in-one network/security operations monitoring tools on the market or not?
Not so many. There are many vendors which are focused a single tool for single purpose, and here there was, in our tender, there was just two who fulfill these requirements, or many of them have some basic capability, but not at the level that we found in these two vendors, and one is the Flowmon Progress.
Were we able to respond quickly or not to meet your requirements?
In every project you can find some space, some missing point, and so on. That's normal. And in our cooperation, we recognize that you are able to respond very fast with a new feature request and to bring a new software version after a few days and to cover it.
Perfect. I appreciate it. It was my pleasure.
It was my pleasure too, to work with everybody in the Progress.